Hello and welcome to this tutorial. If you're using Mac OS X operating system and with an Intel based CPU and wants to establish connection from your C++ program to Oracle database, then this video is for you. Stay till end of this video. I'm gonna explain step by step and let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you already have the C++ compiler installed on your machine. To do so, you need to open the terminal and perform the following command: xcode-select install. If you already installed these tools on your machine, you will receive an error. Then you're fine, you can just ignore it. It will tell you that you need to use software upgrade instead. But if you didn't install it on your machine previously, then it's gonna take some time to download the packages, which include the C++ compiler called G++. Depending on your internet connection, approximately it's gonna take around 15 minutes to 20 minutes to download the packages. So hit enter. As you can see, I received an error which is telling me that it's already installed. So once you receive this error, then you're good to go to next step. Next step, once the download is finished, you need to verify whether the compiler is already installed on your machine or not. To do so, G++-V. If you see the same output as here, then you're fine. Next step, we need to download the Oracle client from Oracle website. Let's open the browser, download Oracle client for Mac. Click on the first link. I will post the URL in the video description so you can have it. There are two packages you need to download it from the Oracle website. The first package is the basic package zip. Click on it, download it. The second one is the SDK. So click on the SDK, download it too. Let's see the files. We got two files. We need to unzip both files and then combine both into one folder. And then I already created a folder under /temp/Oracle. So I will move this file to this location. For you can put it anywhere in your computer, maybe in home directory, maybe on desktop, maybe keep it in download folder. It doesn't matter. As long as you know the path, then you're fine. So let's unzip both files and then combine them into one folder. First, I will unzip the basic package, open, and then I will unzip the SDK, open. So this is the SDK. I will open the SDK folder and copy everything within the SDK and put it inside the basic folder. So once I have everything here, then I can just copy the basic one, which is the instant client 19_8, and I will put it here. Paste the ID. Once you paste the folder into the location that you want, it's time to configure the Visual Studio Code. So let's open the Visual Studio Code. Here we need to download an extension for Visual Studio Code, which is using this extension we can compile the C++, and we can also modify the configuration for the extension in order to provide the path for the Oracle instant library. So click on the extension icon here and search for Code-Runner. This is the extension. Click on install. Click on the little gear icon here and then extension settings. Scroll down to executor map. Click on edit in settings.json. It will automatically add a new line to the file. You just hit Command Z to undo the change. As you can see, there are many languages supported by this extension. So the one that we want to change it or modify it, it's the CPP one. So as you can see, it's include few parameters here, and we need to like make the modification here. I already added here, so I'm gonna delete it and add it again. So yours will be something like that. So after ext, add a space and add the following -i/tmp/oracle/instant client _19_8/SDK/include, and then -l, same path, tmp oracle/instant client 9.8, and then -lcl-lcl ntsh space -l occi. Let me just verify it. So here I provided the path that I copied the folder there. For you it could be /home, could be /users, your username, and then the folder, but don't copy the content manually. Just the SDK one, you can copy it manually. Don't create a new folder and then copy the content of the main folder manually to that folder. Try to just keep it as it is. So things lcl-ntsh-locci. Alright, once we add these parameters, we will save the file and close the setting, close the extension, and let's create a new file. Let's name it main.cpp, and then a typical C++ program, include iostream, include. Now here I want to include the occi.h library. So once we wrote our program, then if everything if we receive the return 0 or the printed statement that we're gonna print it, then everything is fine. Int main return 0 std cout, say occi let loaded successfully, and then /n here, std, and all. So let's save the program. You can ignore the error that you received here, that is totally fine. After you install the extension, the Code-Runner, you're gonna have a little icon here to execute to compile your C++ program. Click on the arrow and then run code. As you can see, OCCI loaded successfully and the code is 0. So this means you have successfully you have loaded the OCCI library, and then you can add the username, password, URL, etc. in order to connect to database and then run the required queries toward your database. Thank you.